What is analogy? An analogy shows a relationship between words. It can help you learn new words by first letting you determine the relationship between the words. Examples of word relationships used in analogy are 1. Synonyms. Small is to tiny, as huge is to vast. Beautiful is to lovely, as nice is to pleasant. Antonyms. Outdoor is to indoor, as external is to internal. Fall is to rise, as down is to up. 3. Part of a whole. Branch is to tree, as kitchen is to house. Feather is to bird, as fur is to cat. 4. Object to function. Ballpen is to write, as brush is to paint. Face mask is to cover, as alcohol is to sanitize. 5. Cause and effect. Heavy rain is to flood, as virus is to disease. Carelessness is to error, as precautious is to safe. Additional learning materials from the internet. Analogies, analogy game, types of analogy. There are many types of analogy. This time, we are going to focus on the following 5 types. Type of analogy. 1. Synonyms. Description. Synonyms are words with the same meaning. Examples: courageous is to brave, as smart is to clever. Buddy is to friend, as drowsy is to sleepy. Joyful is to happy, as dull is to unexciting. 2. Antonyms. Antonyms are words with the opposite meaning. Hard is to soft, as fluffy is to frothy. Edible is to poisonous, as unhappy is to pleased. Durable is to fragile, as pleasant is to disagreeable. 3. Part of a whole. One word is part of the other. Finger is to hand, as toe is to foot. Region is to province, as municipality is to barangay. Sleeve is to t-shirt, as tire is to car. 4. Object to function. One word is a noun, the other is how that noun operates or is used. Burn is to fire, as cut is to scissors. Doctor is to cure, as teacher is to teach. Eye is to see, as ear is to hear. 5. Cause and effect. This analogy contains one word that is the cause or the source of some action or condition, and another word that is the effect or the result or consequence. Careless is to accident, as Cautious is to safety. Earthquake is to tsunami, as heavy rain is to flood. Heat is to cooked, as cold is to frozen. Synonyms: baby is equal to infant, as teenager is equal to adolescent. Antonyms: give is equal to take, as love is equal to hate. Part of a whole: school is equal to learner, as family is equal to children. Object to function: book is equal to read, as medicine is equal to cure. Cause and effect: pinch is equal to pain, as hug is equal to comfort. A blessed day of learning to you. I'm here to guide you to learn the Module 1 for the first quarter of your English subject. The competency you must achieve for this module is analyze relationship presented in analogies. So, are you ready to learn? Remember, you need to listen attentively to be able to follow and understand the lesson. Nevertheless, if you miss to understand something from the discussion, you may repeat to view this video. There are many types of analogy, but this time we are going to focus only on the 5 types. They are synonyms, antonyms, part of a whole, object to function, and cause and effect. As a review, let's try this short quiz. I want you to read the question and give your answer. Question number 1. What type of analogy presents similar meaning of words? What should be your answer? The correct answer is synonyms. Question number 2. What type of analogy presents opposite meaning of words? What analogy presents opposite meaning of words? It's antonyms. Did you get it right? Now let's proceed to question number 3. What type of analogy presents relationship of words in which one is part of the other? What is your answer? It should be part of a whole. Did you get it right? Okay, let's proceed to question number 4. Number 4 question is, doctor is to cure as teacher is to teach. This example is what type of analogy? It's object to function. Did you get it right? Okay, now let's proceed to number 5. The last question is, one word is the source of the event and the other is the result. What type of analogy is it? It's cause-effect. Did you get all the answers correctly? If so, congratulations!